name's Sarah Waldemarsson. I'm from Erie, Pennsylvania. I heard about the school through Instagram and YouTube. We have no prior knowledge of any RV life experience, and through this program, I've gained confidence in, taking what I've learned here, going back to my RV and being able to work on it, or at least have some knowledge of what might be going on and how the RV is working or not working properly. But yeah, ultimately it's given me confidence to RV correctly and properly, and hopefully saves me a lot of money down the road when stuff does go wrong. I want to say thank you to the NRVTA school and helping me gain more knowledge, and what I want to continue to keep doing is RVing.